Hello, hello, testing. Good morning, guys. Hello. Hello, guys. Sorry for the delay. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Sorry for the delay, guys. I was facing a problem over here in Starbucks as usual. So in the morning it went well. It was going well, and unfortunately, in the morning itself we had made 1800 rupees. That lost 800 rupees. Current position right now is that we are in a profit of 1000 rupees. I had taken the gap down trade which I had updated previously in my channel. So hello. Hello, guys, can you hear me? Hello, guys, can you hear me? Hi Vijay, hi Shubhodeep, good morning, good morning. Today was a hugely missed opportunity as I had updated in my Telegram channel as well as in the YouTube shorts. If you would have checked it, there was a huge gap down as expected. As per my calculation, you could have easily gotten 150 points in the morning itself. The put option which I had bought, I had made a profit of 1800 in the morning itself, but then again I ended up losing in the CE 800 rupees. So current status is that I'm in a profit of 1000 rupees to be exact, and I'm really sorry for the delay because I was facing a number of issues like transportation problem, and also in Starbucks there was a network problem. So as mentioned, guys, Bank Nifty is standing at a support right now, which you can see, and it has taken that support which I have marked over there. Right at that level, I have even updated that. So right at that level, it has taken support and it's slowly going up. But I'm expecting it to retest this level right over here. If you can see, this is the level which it will be retesting, and then again it will go down. So it will give you an opportunity over here. If you want, you can take up a trade with a very small SL. Great Shubhadeep, it was a really easy trade today in the morning itself. Easily I could have made easily 40,000 rupees, but due to the market volatility, I tried not to just jump into the trade. Plus I have to attend you guys, so that's why I can take up the trade. Again, as you see, guys, the market is coming down again, so just took a CE option right now, guys, because I'm expecting it to go up at least to some levels right now. So just took a CE option right now, and the CE option which I have taken is 31,500 at 79 rupees. So let's see whether it goes or it hits my SL. I'll be updating you regarding the same. Yeah, it's still at that point, as you can see, guys. It'll be hovering at around this point, and it will definitely reach this level. So that's why I have taken a CE right now, expecting it to go up a bit. I'm out of the price put fee. I'm out of the price. Put 29,800 P, buy at 30, but now it's 27. Okay, so you bought your sale? Did you buy it, or are you planning to buy it? Right now, it will go up, guys. It will go up to retest that level, as I have mentioned. That's why I have taken the CE option, and my profits are going down right now. There is a weakness, guys. I have exited my C position. There's a weakness right here. There's a weakness, and the sentiment is quite down. So I've exited the C position at a loss of 1,600 rupees. But yeah, overall still in a profit of 195 rupees. Will be taking a trade once it reaches my level. Okay. Any update from you guys? What are you doing? What's your expectation? Are you aiming for the downside or upside, or what is it that you are looking for? It will come up to this level. It has to come up to this level. It'll retest this level, then it'll go. So it'll give you an opportunity to buy a P right at this level, this point. It's a major support. It was a major support. Now it will act as a major resistance. Yeah, my view is also towards the down. But obviously, Bank Nifty won't fall more than 1,000 points in a day. If we can cash the downfall, definitely we can make it big. So currently, right now, yeah, status is. I hope you guys are in profit, guys. I hope you guys are not in a loss. I want you guys to be in a profit. I guess it has a support at 30,875. Let me check that out. Let me just check this. The major support which I have marked over here is this level. If it breaks this 30,000, yeah, exactly this level which I have marked, guys, 30,842. that is one light support. It's not a very strong support, it's just a light support, as you can see. No, sorry guys, it's a really strong support because this was actually the resistance, the previous resistance which it had resisted a number of times. So this was a really strong resistance. Now it will act as a very strong support. So in order to break it, we need the volume. I hope my voice is audible, guys. I hope my voice is audible. Background chat, display capture. Display capture. I can't see me right here. Okay. Hi guys, hi. It's a very low blow. Okay, the volume is low. I'm speaking about the volume. Hi Shubhadeep, hi. Now it's good. Yeah. Actually, I'm holding the mic just near my mouth, so you'll be able to hear me quite clearly. Let's focus on the charts. Let's see what's happening. We'll be focusing on Bank Nifty primarily. We're targeting Bank Nifty. If we get a good opportunity for Nifty, then definitely we will walk into. Alright. movement is really slow right now. Let's just open a few more charts over here. Let's check what Nifty is doing, and Reliance and HDFC, which are the big players in the market. Guys, Manipal and Shubhodeep, are you both online right now? Or it's actually showing me that one person is online, but I think like there are two people who are online. I don't know, maybe there's a problem with this thing or something. As you see, guys, it's trying to make its move towards the upside. As I have already mentioned, it will go to this level to retest this level. It has to go above this level to retest this level. The movement will definitely be really slow. The movement will be slow and steady. How many guys have seen the shorts which I have? Yeah. Okay. Hi. SBI. Just 1 minute, Karthik. Just 1 minute. I'm asking you guys, how many guys have you seen the short, the YouTube? On my channel, if you check my channel out, I have updated that there will be a huge gap down today, and I have already given you a cue that it will fall badly till this level, and that's why I have marked this level. And exactly at this level, it has taken a support and it went up. How many guys have seen the short, guys? If you can, if you have seen the short, please mention yes or hell yeah in the chat box. SBIN. State Bank of India. Let's just check it out. Okay. State Bank of India, according to me, should go up to this level. It will go up to this level to retest. And my view is bearish, guys. My view is bearish, but I don't know if there's any good news. If there is any good news, then it will go up. But yeah, SBI is not one of the major players, but it's a part of Bank Nifty definitely. Okay, Shubhati. Yeah, that's what. In the morning only, I was looking at the chart at about 8:30 when I was in the gym, and at that time only I knew it would be a huge downfall. So I just thought of giving you guys a heads up, because in the morning only, if you can take 20,000, then I guess you're done for the day. What else do you need? At that time, this option. PE 31,000 PE was ranging at 100. It came to a low of 180. It went down, then it came up. Then when it came up, the PE was at 180, and that was the time to buy the peak, because my view was towards the downside, right? And from 180 it went to 327. Right now it's ranging at 327, but it almost went to 380, guys. 380. Just imagine. That's almost like 200 points. If you could have taken it, 200 points in the morning. Let's just update you with the status. I'll be showing you my PNL. What's this? Just give me 1 minute, guys. Yes, online. No power cut. Again, power plus one. Okay. So you had a power cut too. That's the problem, guys. Whenever whenever a good opportunity actually comes in the market, there's always a power cut, right? Always a power cut whenever an opportunity comes in the market. Nothing which we can do. Alright, guys, just let me show you. I had actually, traded a bit today in the morning. So this is my net position, 195. So this was the PE option which I was talking about. It was ranging at 180, 190, and then it went directly to 300 and 300 plus levels. So yeah, would have taken a good one today in the morning itself. Let's just check out BANKNIFTY. So yeah, now BANKNIFTY is trying to go for a retest. It will go for a retest, but we won't be entering right now, guys. I almost got a heart attack today. Today what happened exactly is that in the morning, when I was trying to place the order, I knew that it would, the PE option, the put option would go up eventually. But when I was trying to place the order, my hand, it froze. It was so cold in the morning. Literally, it was so cold. So, so that's my position, guys, for today. आज कोई स्टारबक्स का कॉफ़ी कवर्ड नहीं हुआ, 195 रुपीज़ है. इसमें एक कॉफ़ी भी नहीं आएगा स्टारबक्स का. तो we'll have to find a good trade. We won't do any hurry. We'll just we'll wait for the right opportunity. As you see, guys, it'll go for a retest. It'll reach this level, it'll go down. It'll reach this level, then it'll come down again. And if it breaks this level with a higher high formation, provided that there's no choppiness in the market, and a few more confirmations are also to be taken. We do have to check out the market sentiment too. Then definitely it'll go up. There you see, guys. There you see. So just making a good high. Oh my god. There, guys. It has just bounced. And now it'll go up. Now it'll go up. If I could have held on to my CE, then right now would have been in a good amount of profit. But the market is it's risky, guys. It's risky today. That's why I have exited my position as soon as I saw the market is not moving, and obviously we are approaching the expiry. We are not supposed to hold any call or put option for more than for, see guys, went up, retested exactly at that level, and it's now going down. Just a beauty. Just a beauty. Guys, is my voice audible? Is the video lagging? Is the video lagging? Is my voice audible? Please do mention that. See guys, beautifully it went up. It went up to go down. It went up to go down. Shubhadeep, can you please come to Instagram to ask you something? Hello. आज सबका सी में ऐसा हिट हुआ. all the tippers in Instagram, all the tippers जो भी टिप दे रहे थे, सब लोगों का सी में ऐसा, सब लोगों का. I have gone for a 30,000 PE, okay, at 29 rupees, sold at 36 rupees, but now again lose all profit. 250 rupees, now 8 rupees, and still loss holding it. Look, you can hold the PE. Why am I saying if you're holding the PE right now, okay, guys, you have to understand your risk management. As I mentioned, it will go up to retest this level over here. Right at this level there will be a retest, and after this retest happens, can you see this rejection over here, this wick which had formed right at this point? Because of this wick, this formation of this wick, the price could not sustain above, which means that there is a huge amount of selling pressure over here. The sellers are not willing to let the price go up, and the market sentiments are also worldwide. The market sentiments are also down. I did go through the news. As per many other analysts, they also have the view that if the market will open at a gap down, the market will rage at this level for quite some time, till 11 o'clock, 11:30, 12 o'clock, and then it'll go up or down accordingly. My view is that if it goes up, it'll go up to a certain extent. At 1:30 it'll come down, and then it might go up or it might go down. And if it goes down this level, it'll be really bad, guys. It'll be really bad. So you can hold the PE, and if it breaks this level, make sure that when it comes nearby to this level, you place your take profit right over here. Are you getting it? Are you getting it, Vijay? Vijay, if you are holding the PE, definitely hold the PE for some time, alright, and hold it to this level. It'll come down to this level, and then you'll be forming a range around this level today itself. Today there'll be a range formation. And Angel is logging me out constantly. It's logging me out constantly. Okay. Yeah, it's audible hopefully. Vijay, I have already mentioned your query. As mentioned that it will come down to this level. It'll hover around this level, it'll come down to this level, and when it reaches this level, this support over here, it's a major support base. To break this, it needs some pressure, some selling pressure. Okay, after it breaks this, then only you can go for a fresh option, and if it does not break, make sure that you trail your stop loss to take profit over here. If your stop loss is over here, make sure to trail it till here. Okay, once it comes down. Are you getting it? Vijay, if you could understand what I'm saying, please do tell me. Please mention a yes in the comments if you have understood what I've said. And as suggested by the choppy indicator, guys, the choppy indicator is at its peak. As you can see, 61 means that the market would be choppy, right? The market would be choppy, and this is a leading indicator, guys. It's a leading indicator, and this will obviously this will provide certain levels. You'll be able to understand the market direction, whether it's in a direction or not. So highly recommended this indicator. Holding SBIN. Guys, someone had asked me about SBIN. Karthik had asked me about SBIN. Now it will be boring, guys. Now it will be hours. Just relax. It has to be nice. Yeah, Vijay. Are you still at a loss, or did you recover your position? Guys, make sure that when you are at a loss, and when you feel that the market has crossed your level, for example, if you're holding CE and you are expecting the market to bounce from this level, right? You're expecting the market to bounce from here. You're holding a CE. It has broken this level, the candle has closed, and then it has formed another candle. Make sure to cancel your position ASAP, guys, because a 1000 rupee profit, 1000 rupee loss or 2000 rupee loss is better than a 10,000 rupee loss, right? Once it has broken a level, it will go down very bad. And similarly, as I mentioned, this will be dancing this, go up, again come down, go up, come down. Try to make some higher highs, higher lows, lower lows. Just be dancing this. Very strong support and resistance is very strong. This thing, these two lines which you can see. And today I have kept the chart quite clear, so as and easy for you guys. Nifty hasn't broken. Usually don't observe Nifty that much, but let me just check out the key levels over here. Yes, guys, Nifty has broken that level. Nifty has broken, as you see. So what I can see over here is, okay, exactly at this level. Exactly at this level, it had some amount of support. Had some amount of support exactly at this level. Okay. As you see, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times it has taken, support over here and it went up. It has taken support and resistance over here, guys, and it went up. So now it will definitely take a support over here, but I think it has broken, guys. The line is just too thick. The line is too thick. The line is too thick. How to decrease the thickness? That would be fine. So guys, as you see, guys, it has broken this level, and that is not a wick formation. It has broken the level. Is it a wick formation? Yes. Guys. Still, it has still not broken that level. So yeah, Nifty can go up. Nifty can go up. As you see, guys, Nifty is also going up. Bank Nifty is also trying to go up, and then again it will come down. Don't worry, it has to come down. Again, it will come down. Okay, not to worry, guys. If you are a risky player, if you have sufficient amount of capital, and if you are a risky player, then I would recommend you can take up some lots, few lots once it touches this level. exactly at this level you can take up a few lots of 31,000 P, or you can take up a P of 30,900. You can take a P of 30,900 strike price when it touches this level exactly, provided that it provides an impulse move towards the upside, not like a strong move. Right now it's showing a very weak move towards the upside. As you can see, it's trying to make a higher high, but the formation of these wick implies that the move is weak. It's really weak. Yeah, Vijay, don't be in a hurry, bro. Don't be in a hurry. Yesterday, or I guess day before yesterday, I was in a loss of 1,300. I was totally cool. It's just cool, bro. 1,300 loss covered, and then I made 18,000 that day, and then I lost 3,000, squared off at 15,000 rupees. So don't worry. You don't have to rush into the trade. Yeah. So it come up. It's making a higher high. It's looking good. It's looking good, and it's making a higher high. So yeah. I'll just be back, guys, in 1 minute. I'll just be ordering a coffee or something because I've been sitting in Starbucks without ordering anything. It's about time that I order something at least. Otherwise, be a man, right? Okay, so just be back, guys. Just be back. Just observe the chart. Okay, what's the scenario, guys? What's the scenario?
So you see one unpublished flow is then we will see they were comfortable that we will be able to give you space, but then we should ask them that if we are planning to shift by March 22, so what is their responsibility?
Okay guys, I am back again. Sorry for the delay. Yes, market is at 31,500, 500 forward fires. One data is showing like, and at 31,000 there is all resistance. It breaks 31,000, we can take. Yeah. Manipal, as I have mentioned, 31,000. Well, not exactly 31,000. If it makes 31,022, we can take a CE. If it is 31,000 again, goes down, means shall we take a PE? He said, look, you can definitely take a PE, but right now the scenario is really choppy. As you can see guys, there's no direction. The market is in an indecision. It's not behaving in a normal way. It's not behaving normal. So the market is so choppy. As you can see, the choppiness index is suggesting a level of 65. So even if you take a P, you'll be seeing a loss, you'll be seeing a profit. You won't see much of a movement right now. So right now it's not the time to take a PE or CE, guys. We're gonna wait. Don't worry guys, I'm also with you. As you can see, my position over here, 195 rupees I have made today. Like I have lost in this profit which I have made in the morning itself, and that was completely my fault. And it happens definitely if you're in the market. We are here to make profit, and this is right. You can't just make profits. So we are gonna wait, and we're gonna wait till it goes up. I think definitely it has formed a rejection, a really good rejection over here. Two rejections, two long wicks, which suggest that there is a strong selling pressure, but at the same time it has formed over here a shadow, which you can see, a really strong shadow. So this scenario, it is suggesting that it's asking you to please hold your hold your horses and be patient. And after you're patient, you definitely give your. This is not the time to take any position right now. This is an indecisive pattern forming over here. But again, if it forms a pattern over here, and if it stays above this resistance, if it stays above this resistance, and if it keeps hitting this resistance, it will become weak. Eventually it will go up. So my view is that it will go up eventually. Alright, can you see this? It has hit over here one time. This is not a valid touch. One time it has hit, so it's gonna hit the second time, come down a bit. This resistance over here will become a bit more weaker, okay, and come down, it'll go up, and third time if it goes up, it might break, it might not break, or it might come down according to the choppiness of the market. Okay guys, just gonna have some food computer right now. It's a really boring scenario going on. See guys, can you see this? It's really indecisive right now. It's not forming any type of pattern over here. It's just trying to go down, come up, go down, come up, but it's it's taking a halt at this place. This means that there might be a strong buying pressure, and if it stays at this place, it will eventually break it, guys. Do you understand? If it stays at this place, it will break it. What's going on? Oh my god. There you see guys. This is what I was talking about. This is what I was talking about. It has stayed at this level. It is trying to break, but this is an impulse move right over here. If it doesn't sustain, it will be considered as an impulse move, and eventually it has to go down. Eventually it has to go down. See guys, that was an impulse move right over there. Right over there it was an impulse move. This over there is an impulse move, so I am thinking about taking a position right now. I'm thinking about it. Towards the downside, guys, towards the downside. No. Please don't take a position, guys. Please don't take a position. It's forming a higher high. It's definitely forming a higher high. So, okay, it's recovering. It's recovering quite nicely. These are really weak move towards the upside, guys. Really weak move towards the upside. But this was an impulse move right over here. Right over here it was an impulse move. Now it will come down. Now it will come down. So yeah, definitely a position can be taken towards the PE side. So I took a position, guys, towards the PE side. Let's see if it comes down a bit. Let's see if it comes down a bit. Okay, wait. We'll wait for some time. Gonna wait for some time. Okay. It got booked, guys. It got booked, and it's going up now. The P is going up. Could have got the impulse move, but didn't. I was really quick to place my SL, for which just made 900 rupees, 945 rupees done. But the problem is that I know it will go down even more. So this might be a good time to take an order, guys. This might be a good time to take an order once it breaks this again. Once it breaks it might be a good time to take an order. Alright, gonna wait patiently over here. Gonna place it at 170. So I'm taking a position, guys, right now. I'll be taking a position right now for towards the downside. All right, looking good towards the downside. No strong rejection over here. It did come over here for a retest. The retest was weak, so I'll be placing the buying the PE option at 170, placing a limit order, guys. Placing a limit order. I repeat, placing a limit order. PE 31,000 at 170. And there's a reason for that. I'll be telling you the reason why I'm placing it at 170 and not at any other level. Okay, the main reason is to try to catch the impulse, because we want to be safe. Okay, we want to be safe, and we're trying to catch the impulse, guys. So I'm gonna wait for it to approach this level. I hope that it gives an impulse towards the upside. Waiting for an impulse towards the upside. Okay, alright. It's difficult, guys. It's not giving an impulse. Canceling these. I'll be canceling the PE order, because it's not giving an impulse right now. It's not giving an impulse move right now. It has already given an impulse move right over here. So yeah.
I show you a few key points.
Now it's taking a support, guys. Yeah, now it's taking a support. So as expected, guys, if the market has broken this level, but we are still gonna wait. We are still gonna wait. It'll come down for a retest. It'll come down for a retest over here. Okay, and when it comes down for a retest, at that time, if it halts over there, if it halts, that means it can go down again. Okay, because the budget is nearby, guys. The budget is nearby, so the market won't be behaving in a normal way. Alright, the market won't be behaving in a normal way. So I request you to hold your horses, guys. Please hold it right now. I had cancelled my impulse move because the move which it was giving was really slow and steady, and whenever it gives a really slow and steady move, we should be cancelling our impulse move, guys. Would be cancelling our impulse move. So guys, please wait, guys, please wait. I repeat, please wait. So in my current position, guys, made a profit in the PE once again, as I was expecting it to give an impulse, but I had squared off my position because the move was really slow and steady, so I was not getting any confidence in such a move. Alright, as I was not getting any confidence in that move, I had squared off my position at this level which you can see right now, and now it's coming down slowly. 165. Okay, guys, so we'll be waiting for that, and we'll be waiting for it to make a higher high. We'll be waiting for it to make a higher high, and then only we'll be taking a trade. We won't trade without any confirmation. As you see, guys, there is a support right over here at this level. There is a support right over here at this level, which you can see. So let it break this. Let it break this. We're not in a hurry, guys. We're not in a hurry. Don't worry. If we don't earn anything today, we'll earn it tomorrow. But hold your horses, guys. Hold your horses. Today, all the big players have gone wrong. All the big players have gone wrong. All of their C calls have gone wrong, and their SL got hit. They were expecting the market to bounce from this level. It did not broke this level, and it bounced from this level right over here and it went up. So all of the big players, their SL got hit. Right? That's why you should not take up a trade. You should not take a trade just based on what others are saying. You should do your own analysis, and as soon as you take up a trade, make sure that you trade your SL. Take profit once it stops hovering, because you also need to provide a breathing space for guys. Otherwise, it will hit your take profit and then it will go up. It will hit your take profit and then it will go up. I hope you understand what take profit means, guys. So yeah, now the condition is that it's trying to break. It has given a good mother candle over here, a mom candle over here, which you can see, and now it's breaking. And I think this is a good time. Once it sustains above, guys, once it breaks above this support over here, we will be entering into a C position. Right? We'll be waiting, not in a hurry. Vijay, I hope that you didn't take any position right now. Okay, you are already in a loss. I guess you have made some losses today in the morning, so I would request you to hold your losses. As you see, guys, a long wick implies that there is a rejection in the market. We come down to this level again to retest this level, guys. Okay, come down to this level to retest this. Don't worry guys, we are here till 3:30. I'm here till 3:30. You will definitely get a trade. Remember guys, we'll take one trade, two trades. Okay, if necessary we will cancel, we'll place the order, we'll cancel the order. But once we enter the order, we will enter with confirmation and we will exit with a good amount of profit. Alright, I hope that's clear guys. I didn't take the C but wanted as you said. Wait. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, that's what I didn't take it because I can see that there is a weakness guys. It didn't make a higher high formation. First of all, it didn't make a higher high formation. Try to understand, the market is extremely indecisive right now. There's a corona situation going on. Global sentiments are up, global sentiments are down, and the market is overall at a bearish level. Overall at a bearish level. So before taking a CE, you have to be extremely careful, provided plus I mean taking into consideration that the expiry is just around the corner. The option prices will fluctuate, just like this. At the money options, the out of the money options, if you're planning to go for the cheap ones, right? If you're planning to go for the cheap ones, those are China products guys. If you're planning to go for the cheap ones, they will just fluctuate up and down, up and down. Alright, so as you see guys, I had taken a position in the PE but I was not getting confidence, so I had squared off. I was very quick to square off my position because I was sensing a weakness. Alright, and then it eventually broke that support. It eventually broke that support and it went up. And I'll also show you a pattern over here which it had formed. If you can see this pattern guys, you can see this pattern. If you can see this pattern, it had formed a small trend line in the 5-minute chart. Okay, it has formed a small trend line in the 5-minute chart, taking support in this trend line, and it took a halt at this point. It did take a halt, a huge amount of halt, which suggests that there's a break. There's a break coming. Okay, at this point, where it took a halt. At that time only, if you had any PE position, you should have exited. Okay, this is called experience, guys. This is called experience, and you will get it only if you stay in the market. Alright, I have made huge losses, and I'll also be sharing my losses. As of now, bro, I can take only out of price. What do you mean? Only I have 4,000 rupees budget till this first, so trading very carefully. Wanted to trade Thursday again is a very risky day to trade. The options are very cheap at the same time, but don't worry. Okay, don't worry. Look at this beauty. Can you see this? I had mentioned that you take this resistance over here, take this resistance over here, and then go down. And that's what it is doing. It's going down right now for a retest. Now it will retest this support over here. It'll retest this support. If it breaks this support, it'll retest this trend line over here, which it had formed. It had formed a beautiful trend line, which you can see, guys. Okay. Don't worry, we'll make that 4,000 into 40,000, alright? We'll make that 4,000 into 40,000. Anytime, bro, anytime. The choppiness index is actually going down, which suggests that the market is, moving towards a directional move right now. The market is going and planning a move either up or down, but they will go for a directional move right now, and then we will take a position. All right, and now it's forming a lower low. As you can see, it's forming a lower low. It can even break, guys. It can even break this support. It can even break this trend line, and it can even break this support right over here. Because remember one thing, guys, if it falls really bad. It will be very bad, very bad. But when it rises, it will rise really slowly. Why? Because there's gravity. Gravity is pulling it down, right? It will come down to this level, and I think it might break it this time. It might break it this time. Why am I saying this? It has made a beautiful rejection over here, and it is forming a lower low. Right now, it is forming a lower low, and it will come down. Quite sure it will come down. Okay, there's a weakness. Can you see, guys? A small shadow is being formed. So there's a weakness over here, and now my view is that it'll bounce. It'll come over here and bounce, and again go up. That's what my view is. It's very indecisive. The market is very indecisive, guys, right now. So before taking a trade, we have to think twice, thrice. All the big players can go wrong. They have gone wrong terribly. I used to, trade on their confirmations too, but I have also made a number of losses. And when I never used to take their tip, जब उसका टिप लेता नहीं हूँ तब भागता है, and तब भागता है. All of those messages, move, profit everywhere. Okay. So we have just keeping in mind over here, keeping this Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, and ICICI Bank, and a few more banks over here. We need to give this. Can we add a few more stocks over here? Okay. Is it HDFC? It's HDFC Bank, right? Yeah, HDFC Bank. This needs to be higher up in the order. So we have all these banks, which they are the main players, guys, in BANKNIFTY. They are the main players in BANKNIFTY. So we will be targeting them mainly. We'll be checking their performance, and they are all in red. If you notice, they are all in red. Nifty is in red. Everything is in red. So you have to think twice before taking a C in this market. Okay. Just grab a bite. Okay, so grab a bite over here, and I'll be speaking to you in 1 minute. Alright, give me a minute. Hi, ये क्या हुआ? I heal मारते हैं. Need to wear sunglasses, guys. I'm saying I need to wear sunglasses, guys. This sun is hitting me directly on the eye. हम लोग आज ब्लैक खेलेंगे मार्केट के साथ. ब्लैक. this on. As mentioned, guys, as mentioned, it has formed a lower low with a strong wick, and it's respecting the trend line too. It's respecting the trend line too, which you can see beautifully, right? Touching the resistance. Yeah, that's what it's respecting the trend line, and it's a good trend line. To be honest, guys, there are many trend lines in the market. Okay, you can buy a trend line from the footpath. You can buy a trend line from the Gucci shop as well. So this trend line over here, this trend line is a good trend line and a very costly one actually. How would you recognize the thing? It has respected this trend line, taken support over here, taken support over here, again taken support over here. This also can be considered as a support. It has taken support over here, and then it went up. And now it's approaching this trend line, but this time it's gonna break. This time it's gonna break. Why? Because it's just coming down. Just coming down badly. Just coming down badly, guys. Respect it. Did you respect? Did you respect the trend line, guys? It's trying to bounce a bit, but it's strong. The movement is strong, guys. The movement is strong towards the downside. Today's coffee is also sponsored by BANKNIFTY, guys. Well, a lot of things would have been sponsored by BANKNIFTY today, but I had taken a wrong trade in the morning for which I had lost 1800 rupees, and now I need to pay brokerages. I need to pay the brokerages, but still we got the coffee for free. Okay, guys, it has broken the trend line, and now if it breaks this, obviously it can't break this at one go. If it breaks this, then it's really bad. Really bad. Okay. Oh, it's forming a lower low formation, guys. It's forming a lower low. This time if it breaks, it will be really bad. Really bad. But this is not a trading zone, guys. This zone is not a trading zone. Okay, we are gonna wait. We are gonna wait for it. Wait for it. Let the girl come to you. Don't go to the girl. You don't have to go for her. You don't have to go and run after the girl. Let the girl come to you. And when the girl comes to you, obviously she'll come to you seeing your competence, seeing your patience. She will respect you. Similarly, guys, BANKNIFTY will also come to you and respect you once you wait for it. Okay? We will be waiting in our lines. Our lines are our point of entry. Okay? Our lines are our point of entry. while speaking to you guys, I didn't realize that I also had an open position in a CE, guys. Oh my god. Totally got distracted with the chats and everything. But I have an open position in a CE. Totally forgot about that. I totally forgot. Will it break it? Will it break it? I'm gonna wait for it. Totally forgot about the open position in the C, guys. I had kept an open position with the touch and go impulse move. So right now at a loss. Alright, right now at a loss. So yeah, at a profit of 300. Overall at a profit of 300. Took the C at a very low level. But yeah, we're gonna wait. We are gonna wait patiently and see how weak it is or how strong it is. I've taken the C at a very low level, but I don't know for the time decay. For the time decay, it has the level which I was expecting it to trade in. It hadn't reached that. So right now it's going down. Again at a loss of 130. We're gonna place an SL. We're gonna place a short SL over here. That's a problem of live streaming, guys. No, Ahmed. No, not right now. Not right now. The move it's making towards the downside looks to be quite strong for taking a C. Okay. It didn't dance around. It just made a lower low. Just broke this support, this resistance over here, and right now it's trying to break this. Okay. If it's halting over here, if it halts over here for a long time, then only we can go for a PE, not for a CE. Because if it's halting and the market sentiments are down, okay, market sentiments are down. If it's halting, then it'll go down really badly. Okay, guys, go down really badly. I'm also right now in a loss of 100 rupees, and a loss of 100 rupees right now, guys, because I have taken a position right over here and I didn't even realize that. I didn't even realize that I had taken a position, and I'm in a loss right now. Okay, in a profit again of 800 rupees. I was waiting for the touch and go impulse movement, guys. I was waiting for a touch and go impulse movement, but it didn't come in. That was the main problem. Taken 30. No. Covered loss. Okay. Of 3000. Taken at 20 rupees. That's really great. That's really great. If you had taken it from the lines, it's good. If you had taken it from this line, or once it has broken, if you had taken it from here, then that's really good, guys. And as I have mentioned, this is the playground where it will be playing. It will be playing over here till 11. It's already 11:45 right now, which I can see. It'll be playing over here at this level till 12. It'll be playing over here till 12 o'clock, guys. It's trying to break now. Now it's trying to break, and yeah, the losses are going up. And I think I need to square off my position at a loss. I need to square off my position. Will be holding my position for some time. Will be holding my position for some time till this point exactly over here. I'll be holding my position till this point exactly over here, till this impulse movement. If it can break this, although the move towards the downside looks really strong, I'll be holding it and waiting patiently, because I have bought the C at a really low level. Right now, if it doesn't sustain, it'll shoot up. It'll shoot up this to this level, and we'll be able to put some amount of profit. But yeah, down. It's coming down very beautifully. It's coming down. I think I also need to square off my C position, guys. So I need to square off my C position because it's going at a loss. It's going at a loss, 1500. Be waiting patiently with our stop loss. Okay, waiting patiently with our stop loss. Be waiting patiently with our stop loss. Hmm, 30,800. Yeah, broken, but there's a really strong support, guys, over here. A very strong support over here. So that's why I'm holding it. And if it makes such a move, it'll take a halt somewhere or the other. It has to take a halt somewhere or the other, right? Take a halt somewhere or the other, and eventually it'll come. There's no weakness, guys. There's no weakness, and now it'll be bad. It'll be really bad right now. So it'll be really bad right now, I think so. It'll be really bad right now. So guys, it's breaking the levels, and now it will fall really badly. Okay, so we will be squaring off our position right now, and breaking bad. 3. There's a weakness. There's some kind of weakness, not that much. There's some kind of weakness. And again, now it's time. So all those people who had taken that fee would again be, this is the thing which which I want. It's broken, yeah, definitely it's broken, but again the budget is nearby, guys, and the market will behave in a very indecisive way, as I am telling you. So yeah, I have placed my SL. If it hits, it'll be a loss of 5,000, which I'll take it, and if it goes up, then yeah, good. But if it if it breaks, then I'll be in loss of 10,000, something like that. Okay. It should come up to this level to retest it, guys. It should come to this level to retest it, and then it should go down. It's making a very indecisive candle. It's trying to form. definitely showing a weakness, guys. It's halting. It's taking a halt. I think it's planning to go down, guys. It's planning to go down. Trying to form a pattern, but again it's going up, just square off my position. Manipal, you can't do like that. You need to have a view. You need to take your trades from a line. Alright, look, I'm holding my position right now, and I have not squared off my C as of now. It's again hovering at 1500 loss. So what my view is that the market will halt for some time. If it goes down, it definitely halt somewhere or the other, right? You can't just go here and there squaring off your position. Here you have taken a C. Why did you take a C? You shouldn't have taken a C. I had taken a C long back. That was my mistake, because I had forgotten that I had an open position. I had taken a C at this level so that I can catch the impulse move. You shouldn't have taken a C seeing that this candle is sustaining. You shouldn't have taken a C seeing that this candle is sustaining. Okay, you had taken a fresh C. You have to understand, guys, not to take up positions, out of impulsive move, because once it's falling down beautifully. It has made 5 red candles. Once it has made 5 red candles, that means it has to halt somewhere before going down, right? There will be some amount of profit booking over here. So when the PE people, or when those people who have sold Bank Nifty futures will square off their position, what will they do? They will buy Bank Nifty position to square off. If you sell, you have sold over here, you'll have to buy over here to square off your position. When you buy over here, the price will go up, right? So that's what is happening. Okay, people have squared off their position. People have squared off their position over here at this level, looking at this slowness, or some people are just too concerned about their profit. They are not willing to look at the charts. You have to look at the charts and see how they are behaving. It came up for a retest right over here, guys. As you see, it has taken a halt over here, and it's now trying to go towards the downside again. So now will you take a PE again? No. Now you won't take a PE right now, unless and until it provides you a strong, provides you a strong way, or a strong move towards the downside. This is forming an indecisive candle. This is forming a very weak candle, and I believe that I believe that it will go up to a certain level before coming down. It will go up for a small retracement, and I will be booking my stop loss over there to take profit. Currently, again at a loss of 1000. It's hovering, guys, at a loss of 1000. This it has not broken this level. If it would have made a lower low over here, this low, if it would have broken this low over here, then I would exit my position right away. Okay, I would exit my position right away. But since it did not break this lower low right over here, that's why I did not exit my position. I'm still holding my position. Okay. And now it's forming a 2 wick. Now it's again trying to go down, guys. This is the indecision which it's trying to form. And still try to hover around this level, guys. Still try to hover around this level. No, you're not. Don't take any C right now. I have taken a C. That was my mistake, guys. Don't take a C. don't take a C, don't take a P. Let this candle close below this, then we will decide. Let this candle close below this, then we will decide to take a P. Alright, then we will decide to take a P. Premiums are going down really badly, guys. Premiums are going down really badly, and that's a major problem right now. Premiums are going down really badly. See guys, now it's trying to reach that level as well. Okay, if it breaks that level and forms a lower low, then we will be going for a P. Okay, not before that. Not before that. Okay, so now it's time for me to exit my position at a loss. Of 2,900. It's time for me to exit my position. Again, it's trying to go up. Just hovering around that. Just hovering around that. Just trying to break that. It's not willing to come down. There's a lot of weakness. Yes. Now look over. Now it will go down. It will be very bad. To exit this position right. Oh my god. It went up. Just when I was thought of exiting the position, it went up. That's a problem, guys. That's the main problem over here. The market is not behaving in a very normal manner right now. The market is not behaving in a very normal manner. I'm gonna wait for some time before I square off my position. Starbucks coffee was sponsored by Bank Nifty, but then again, now it's not sponsored. Now it has been taken away from me. Now it has been taken away from me. And that's also because of my mistake. I totally forgot that I had an open position. I totally forgot that I had an open position, so it was totally on me, guys. The mistake was mine, alright? No one is to be blamed but me. I can only blame myself. And that's the beauty of it. When you're making a profit, you are happy. You feel like you're the king of the world, right? But when you're making a loss, you're blaming it on someone. You're blaming the market, you're blaming everyone, the broker. You have to stop blaming people, guys. You have to stop blaming people. When you're taking a loss, be proud of the loss, not just profit, right? It's very indecisive right now, Ahmed. Very indecisive. It has formed. It didn't form. It was trying to form a bearish angle fin over here, but now it has broken that level, and now it will go down. Now it should go down. Yep, it should go down. It should go down. It has formed a beautiful rejection over here at this level, I think I should square off my position, guys. 51. I'll be squaring off my position. Whatever happens right now, I'll be squaring off my position because at such a risky level, at least I don't want to stand. I'll take the loss of 2,000 rupees, no problem, but why bear anything more than 2,000? Anyways, guys, I had squared off my position because it's too risky right now to take any trade over here anyway, and I had taken the at the money option, which was causing a huge time decay. So my total loss right now, it came to 2,500 rupees, and we won't take any loss greater than 2,500. Okay, we won't take any loss greater than 2,500. Now we'll wait for the market for it to give a confirmation. After it gives a confirmation, our position, right? And I think, guys, it has broken the low over here, low over here, low over here, and over here it's taking support. It's taking a support over here. Why is there any support over there? Do we have any support over there? Yes, a small support is there. A small support is there at that level. That's why it's taking a support. क्या होगा? क्या होगा चार्ट? Just give me a minute, guys. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Okay. Why is it showing? Why is the chart acting so abnormal? Can't see the candles properly. Just give me a minute, guys. Yes, guys, I think it's a good time to enter into a PE position. Alright, it's a good time to enter into a PE position. Make sure that you enter at lower when you buy the put option. Buy the put option at a dip, don't buy it at a high. Okay. And again, it has moved towards the upside just when I was about to buy the put option. just when I was about to purchase the put option, it is making a move towards the upside, but it'll take a retest over here, guys, not to worry. Take a retest over there, not to worry. And it was pointless for me to square up my position at loss, right? Because it has gone up. This is what is called a volatile market. This is a volatile market, guys. You need to be very careful in this market, otherwise you're gonna lose a lot of money. Just taking a support over here, and there is a support over there. Not very strong, but yeah, there is a support also. But it will reach this point for a retest, and then it should bounce from here. Okay, so we're gonna wait till then. Not in a hurry to cover our losses or make profit. The main thing is, guys, which I have learned through my experience. Okay, the thing which I have learned through my experience is that if you want to be successful in trading, you will have to take up losses sometimes. Okay, you'll have to take up losses, but make sure that the losses are small. Like today I have taken a small loss. Alright, so I have made sure that the losses are small, so that my capital, it won't lead to any capital degradation. If your capital gets degraded, then you won't be able to make any profits. You won't be able to practice. You won't be able to stay in the market. Right. Now let's speak about capital degradation. Again, it's not forming an up move. It's not forming a down move. Just halting at that place. It's trying to go down. So I was thinking of taking a P. Alright, I was thinking of taking a P, but I didn't take P. It's very risky. Very risky to take anything. There, guys. Now, as per my view goes, we'll go up to this level again for a retest. Till that time, don't take any position in C or P. Okay, in C or P, don't take any position in C or P. I repeat, don't take any position in C and P. Have that patience. If you don't have that patience, don't worry. Go for your work. Do your work, relax. If you have made any losses, relax, don't worry. Come at 12:30. At that time, market will make a major move, alright? And at that time, you will be able to make a good profit, alright? Don't worry about your losses, guys. We are here to stay in the market, and the only way that we will become an expert in the market is by practicing. And for practicing, we need capital, and for capital we need maintaining our capital. We have to avoid capital degradation, and this is where the capital degradation takes place. In such a volatile market, if you're taking a C at every outbreak and you're taking a P at every breakdown, that means that you are still far away from being a trader, guys. Okay. dancing, still dancing. Still dance. No problem. Yeah, Shubhadeep. I know Alex had he had made a position, but he can take a position, right? He has the capital. He has the capital, but we don't have the capital. We have to preserve our capital, right? So we can't just go and take a haphazard position. We will be taking a position only at this level. When it comes to this level, we can take a P, because I know it'll come over here for a retest. It'll come over here for a retest, then it will go down. Alright? So at this line over here, we will be taking a P. I will be taking a P. It's totally upon you guys whether you want to take a P or not, but I'll be taking a P at that level. Alright? This is a highly indecisive zone, guys. A highly indecisive zone to take any position. Alright. If you're taking any position right now, you'll be at a loss. There's no doubt about it. Let you make a higher high, let you make a higher low, and let you do something. I would say if it breaks, once it breaks this level over here, then there will be a free fall, guys. There will be a free fall. Not to worry, okay, not to worry. let it break this level over here. Okay, let it break this level over here. Okay, and if you want to take a trade, if you want to take a small amount of risk, just let it come to this level. Let it come to this level for a retest. It will come up, it will go down. It will go down, and then you can take a trade. Until then, no. Shadow forming wicks, forming decisive angle, so you can't take a trade over here. Need to be patient, guys. Need to be patient. It will go up. It will go up till this level. It has to go up right now. This shadow implies a very strong rejection over here. It should go up, but don't take a trade right now. Wait for it. And this continuation pattern, can you see that? 3 green candles. This implies a strong continuation pattern towards the upside. Okay, it's called some type of pattern. I forgot what was the name of the pattern, but this is called a very strong continuation pattern, and it will go towards the upside. And this supported by this pattern, this choppiness is also suggesting that the market is less choppy right now. The market is less choppy, and it's in a strong bullish move to go till here, till this point. And then if it breaks this point, again till this point. Alright, but I doubt it that it will break this point because it's making us very weak. It's very weak. It's not that strong. It's just doing tata thaya, right? It's doing tata thaya, but the choppiness has gone down, guys, in the market. This is called Bharatnatyam. Have you heard about Bharatnatyam? This is called Bharatnatyam, and this is called hip hop. Straight down hip hop dancing. Straight. See, guys, strong continuation pattern, strong rejection towards the downside. This is a shadow. It's called a shadow. Means that the buyer is sitting over here, not willing to push the price down, and as mentioned, it will go up till this level for a retest. Okay, up till this level for a retest. Charts, charts. Don't look at your PNL. Look at the charts. Check for the trends. Let me add an indicator over here, guys, for your reference. Just add a 200 MA, 200 moving average line. exponential moving average. Let's add a moving average over here. So then it will come up strange. You can also add a VWAP to get an idea of the volume because that's also important right now. VWAP. Guys, so this is the moving average actually, and there are two lines. We just need one. So this is the 200 moving average. It's below this. Okay, it's below this. This also acts as a strong support and resistance, guys. The 200 moving average, as you can see, it did try to break this 200 moving average. It had broken a bit. Okay. Had broken a bit, but since there was a support, it came down. It came down beautifully. Okay, I'll show you more instances of that. Can you see this? Can you see this? It had taken a resistance over here, and after taking the resistance, it had directly came down. It took a resistance at the 200 moving average. This is not the exponential moving average. This is the 200 moving average, like the normal one. Normal 200 moving average. I'll show you more instances. Can you see this? It had taken support. It was taking the support as if the 200 moving average is a trend line. Okay. More instances. I'll show you more instances. Show you more instances. Can you see this? It has taken a resistance over here. It has taken a resistance over here, and then it had acted as a support. Okay, did we add one more moving average? What is this? Okay, what is this? The 200. Why do we have 2? Okay. Try to avoid many indicators because what it does is that it confuses, guys. It confuses. Avoid a lot of indicators because primarily, as looking at the price encompasses all of these moving averages and everything. So, if you know how the price moves, once you know the movement of the market, guys, you will be able to avoid indicators and you will be able to find the market direction. So, Alex has taken a trade right towards the P right now, and I think he again be at a loss. Again come up and hit a stop loss. I don't know where he kept his stop loss. He's quite small, I believe, but definitely hit a stop loss. There, guys. Can you see that rejection? Can you see that rejection? Beautiful. You're waiting for it. You're waiting for it to rise, to break this, and then to go down. Okay. Waiting for it. Then it has gone down, taking the rejection right over here at this point. tried at this moment to get some profits. But again, it's risky, right? Because if I just nearby, there's risk in every move which you make. Every move is risky. Has formed a beautiful rejection. Although there was a strong continuation pattern, alright, there was a strong continuation pattern over here. It had rejected the candle, and now it's just willing to come down again. That's what. That's what. Did you take a trade at that level? Because I had already mentioned that this will happen. It will go up to retest this level, and now it will go down because this is a very strong wick which has been formed, a very strong rejection which is taken. Did you take a trade? Come on, Vijay. Now it's just willing to go down. Just willing to go down to this level. So that's what I'm saying is, how do you trade under these circumstances? You don't trade, you stay away. Stay away under these circumstances, right? That's what. Be patient, observe the market, because if you're patient, you're staying in the market, that means you are increasing your knowledge, increasing your power. You will not even read indicators, alright, to look at the levels, to just scan it with your eyes. Indicators, it basically just confuses us. That's the problem. Okay, that's the problem. Just observe the market, guys. Is there any latency, guys, in the street? Are you observing any type of latency, any type of lag? Do mention, guys, if you're observing any type of latency. that. Uh, just to inform you guys, I have taken a P for an impulse move. I believe there would be an impulse move somewhere. Okay, I have taken a P at a very low level because the market is highly volatile today. It's highly volatile. If it hits, it will just hit and give me a profit. Otherwise, it can be really bad. So my position right now for the impulse move, I have taken a position. I placed an order at 140, 30,800 P. Okay, limit order 140, 30,800 P. Placed an order at a very low level, guys. I repeat, but this order can be dynamic. It can be dynamic and it can change. So my view is towards the downside. Therefore, I'll be buying the P at its absolute lowest. I'll try to, buy the PE option at buy the PE option at not buying shares at selling at right. When you are buying options, you always buy options at whether it's CE or PE. Again, a very strong bearish continuation pattern formed, which suggests that there's a very strong bearish movement towards the downside, and it can be a good, this can be a good down move. Also, what this level, which you can see, this level, it has formed a level over here. It's taking a support at this level over here. So let's be patient, guys. Let's just be patient. Just be patient. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Right, just be patient, guys. I think it's towards the downside. So now it's trying to break it. This support, a small support which it has taken, it's trying to break it, coming to the lower line which I have drawn. We'll be joining the free fall, please. Don't worry. There's a free fall. We'll be joining free fall. Why to enter any position at a very risky scenario, right? And it looks really strong, guys. Really strong, but please don't trade. Please don't trade. Wait for it. Wait for it to break the levels. Wait for it to break the levels. Alright. Wait for it to break the levels. Now it's breaking. Now it's breaking. Let's break. Will it go down badly? Will it go down badly? Looks good. Looks good, guys. Looks good. It has taken that support once again. It has taken that support. Let it just break that support, guys. Let it just break that support. Let the candle sustain. Not in a hurry. Not in a hurry. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes, almost. It's breaching that level. Yes, it's breaching that level. It's breaching that level. It's taking a retracement. It's taking a retracement again. Can you see? Candle didn't close. Candle didn't close. It been reverted. Beautifully. Try to come down again. Try to break it once again. I know try to break it once again, but it's a rejection. Some people they'll just be in a hurry to take a trade, and they'll be taking a trade right over here at this point, which you can see. To see the candle, even if the candle has not broken, they'll be in a hurry to take that trade. But as you see, guys, this is what has happened. Right, exactly at this level, it has reverted back. So market will give you a lot of opportunities like that, guys. Did you see, Vijay? Exactly at that level, and it has been, I drew it quite perfectly. It had rejected, and you could have taken, a C, provided that the budget was not there. And the market would not be so volatile. The market would show a directional move. Alright, then only it would be valid. Otherwise, no. Now again, it's trying to go towards the downside. Again, it's trying to break, and this time I think if it breaks, it's gonna be bad. Will it bounce or will it break? Will it bounce or will it break? Will it bounce or will it break, guys? Will it bounce or will it break? See, it's still bouncing. I wanted to break. I just wanted to break fast. And we have approached the 1230 mark too, so we are expecting a downfall, guys. Okay. And please, guys, don't purchase out of the money options, because it will be zero. It will be zero end of the day. Alright, out of the money options. Rejection at that point. It's going down. Now again try to come up, right? Again try to come off very fast and take all of the SLs, right? There, all of the SLs gone. All of the SLs gone, right? Gone. All of the SLs gone. Oh my god. All of the SLs gone of all of the people. This is how the market moves, guys. The market is very... market knows where you have placed a buy and a sell order, right? Accordingly. My view is towards the downside, guys. You can go to any levels. Okay. My view is towards the downside. You can go to any levels. And we also want it to go down. We want it to go down so that we can all make a good profit. There's a lot of rejection right in that level, guys. A lot of rejection in that level. See, Vijay, if you would have taken a trade over there, then if you would have taken a P over there, then again it would hit your SL. It would hit your SL and then it would go down. That's how it is, guys. That's how it is. That's how it is. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. But it has halted at that level, which indicates a very good sign. I like the sign. It indicates a really good sign that it wants to go down. It wants to go down. Still waiting for a confirmation, guys. Still waiting for a confirmation. Let's see how indecisive it is. But now again it came down, and now it might break. There's a high probability, not a possibility, a high probability that it will break it, because it has halted over there for quite some time. But once it breaks, then the fall would be really bad. Then the fall would be really bad, right? It's trying to break that level. It's trying really hard to break that level. We want it to break. We want it to go down badly. Are you holding the PE position, Vijay? Are you holding any PE position? You're holding it? At 30,630. First, let it break this. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, now it's just willing to go down. Just willing to go down, guys. Just willing to go down. Just willing to go down. And 12:30, the move is coming. So my view is 12:30 make quick move towards the downside, very quick move towards the downside, and you need to be very careful while booking the profits towards the downside, because when you book the profits towards the downside, it'll hit a support and then come up, right? So you need to be very quick while booking this thing towards the downside. All right. One minute left for this candle to close below. Only 1 minute left for this candle to close below. I'm gonna wait for it. I'm gonna wait for it to close below that level. Alright, and then we'll be entering the PE option. Okay. I'm gonna wait for it. Patiently. Yeah. Me too. I also want to buy the option and that. But it's not breaking at a flow. That's the problem. It's not breaking. Now it has broken. So as per my view, you can take a P right at this point. When it comes at this point, when it touches at that point, so you can take a P really fast. You can take a P at that point. Let's see if it breaks that point. Has broken again that point. Again it's trying to go to a safe side. This is what it's called a volatility, guys. This is what the volatility in the market is during the budget. During the budget you won't be able to exactly enter, so it's always advisable to buy the PE and the C at its absolute lowest, and when it respects a certain support or resistance, right? Respected that, but it's trying to go off. That's the problem right now. Respected that, trying to go off. Maybe a retracement of that point. If it goes up, it'll be fast. If it goes down, it'll be fast. That's the problem. That's the main problem at this point, guys. If it goes up, it'll be fast. If it goes down, it'll be fast. See, just rejected that level. Just rejected that level again. If this candle forms a wick, like this, that means it's a very strong sign that it should go down. Alright, a strong sign that it should go down, unless and until the market is manipulated. If the market is manipulated, you can't do anything, right? Just hope and wait for market manipulation to stop. Market is manipulated, we can't do anything. just what I wanted. Exactly what I wanted. That formed exactly what I wanted. That formed exactly what I wanted. Yeah. Now this candle closes with a long wick, and with a lower low formation. Then there should be a good downfall. There should be a good downfall. We'll wait for this. We'll wait for this once again. We'll wait for the price to reach this level or this level. Okay. Wait for the price to reach that level. Just see how much. Bank Nifty has already gone 1.7% down. Okay, it has gone down by 500 points. It has gone down by 500 points. And so now there's a very low probability that it will go down even more. Very low probability. Usually indexes they move plus minus up or down between 1.5 to 2 and maximum 3%. Alright. So now see, it's again trying to form that candle, trying to break that level again. Again trying to break that level. Again trying to break that level. Even after a long wick formation, it's trying to break that level. Isn't it difficult? And now if you want to take a feel, just in case it comes up to this level, okay, just in case it comes up to this level, just in case it comes up, because it can't come up like that, right? It will have to halt somewhere. It will halt somewhere and then it will come up and then again take a halt and then come up. So on that bounce we are gonna take a position in the opposite side. That's the PE. And if you look at the longer time frame, okay, it has formed a beautiful higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then again higher high, higher low, again higher high, and then it directly came down to this level. Now it's forming a Dow theory. So this is called a Dow theory. It forms a Dow theory over here, goes up for the retest and then low. So this is how it's forming. But now if it breaks this level over here, then there's no stopping it. It's shoot up. If it breaks this level, it's shoot up. Until then, and we're not in a hurry to take the trade, guys. If we get any profit, it's good. If we don't get any profit, if we are at loss, we'll try to minimize our loss. That's the max which we can do, right? After we get a good entry, then only we can expect to hold on to our position with provided that we have a number of confirmations, right? show any more, guys. Not show any more. Oh God. We'll come down to this level for a retest and then we'll go. Now it should fall, guys. Now it should fall. It'll be very bad, guys. Very bad right now. Very bad. The fall will be very bad. Mark my words. The fall will be very bad. The fall will be very bad, guys, right now. Very bad. Well, just very quickly, have entered into a position already at a profit of 8,000 rupees right now, and the profit is still going on, guys. Profit is still rolling. Profit of 5,900. I have squared off my profit because it has taken a bounce. We have squared off our profit at 5,900 rupees. We are not going to trade until it gives us a proper level. Alright, guys, let it give a proper level. It'll go up for the retest. Okay, we go up for the retest, and we are not going to trade before that. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait today. We have already made a good profit, guys. We have already made a good profit. I repeat, don't enter without confirmation. Don't enter without confirmation, guys. 5,000 in, that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, definitely we are gonna wait right now for the reconfirmation. Okay, we're gonna wait for the reconfirmation right now, and then only we'll be entering into the trade. Then only we'll be entering into the trade. Not before that. Not before that. Not before that. Not before that. Okay. As you see, guys, today's profit 5,900, which is okay. Every day you can't expect a profit of 15,000, 50,000, right? But we are gonna wait again. We are gonna wait again and let the price sustain at that level. Okay, we're gonna wait again and let the price sustain at that level, and then only we'll be taking up a trade. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, guys, I have I have entered into the position, as I was saying, guys. I have entered into the position right at this level when it was showing a weakness. It was not willing to go down. I had entered that market at that level. Bam! It went down. Bam! Okay. Bam! It went down. It had respected that level, and that's how you should trade, guys. You should trade from the support or resistance. We are at a profit of 5,900. If you had taken the trade at that level, 5,900 profit. As you can see guys, I had made a loss of 5,000, which is okay. Loss and profit, it's a part of the game. Now it's going really badly. It's going really badly. Let it go really badly. Let it go really badly. We won't follow it. We are not following it. Okay, we will not enter right now. Not enter right now. I repeat, we will not be entering the trade right now. Let it go badly. Okay, we will be entering the trade after it makes a lower low, provided that it comes at this level for a retest. And when it comes at this level for a retest, then only we will be entering into the trade. Okay, so not to worry guys, not to worry, we're gonna wait. See guys, the price never goes down like that. Only when there's panic selling and the price will go down. Okay, the price will never go down in such a manner, right? So we're gonna wait for it. We're gonna wait for it for the retest. I know it'll go up. I know it'll go up for the retest as soon as it goes up. Why is it going up? Can you tell me? Why is it going up? I want you to think in your mind why it is going up right now after going down, after forming such a big mummy candle over here, a mother candle, candle right over here. It's going up because people who have sold at that level, at a higher level, when it went down, they were booking their profit, and to square up their position, they bought it. They bought it, which is causing the price to go up. But who will buy shares at this level? Only the retail traders. Only the retail traders will book their profits at a very low level. But big institutions who has a lot of capital sizing with them, they'll never book it at that. They will wait. They will wait for the perfect opportunity, and they know that the price will come down, go for a retest, and then again come down. So they are gonna wait for this level to break. If the candle again closes above this level, then they are gonna square up. Then the big institutions, they are going to square up. Are you getting what I'm saying? I'm just trying to give you the psychology of how the big institutions operate, and they can earn in millions, literally speaking, millions. Okay, just if the call option, the put option moves by 10 points, 20 points, even 5 points, moves by 5 points, because they have raised a huge amount of money. Alright, they have their algos, they have their bots to place the order. Okay, and the bots are not, they don't operate with emotions like human beings. The problem with human beings is that as soon as we see our profit of 5,000, 6,000, we book it, but the bots will book it. The profit will go up to 5,000, then it will come down to 1,000, and go in a loss of minus 2,000, but the bots won't book it. They will only fail the SM if they feel and if they detect that the market sentiment has changed. Right now the market is still bearish, guys. I repeat, the market is still bearish. It still will go down, okay, but it will come up for a retest. The EOD concept is still there, guys. We will still be earning in the EOD concept, okay. We will still be earning in the EOD concept. Kumar, I don't know whether you have taken a trade at that level or not, okay. When you are again buying call option and put option, I repeat, when you are again buying call option and put option, make sure first you place the limit order at a very low price at a support, okay, or a resistance. And then if you feel that the price is not approaching your level, it is getting rejected before your level, modify it to market, and bam, you'll get it. You will definitely get it. And patience is rewarded, guys. Could you make the music low? Yup, I can make the music low, definitely. I'm sorry guys, definitely do tell me if you find the music to be high or low or whatever. So gang, how are you, bro? How are you? I'm placing the speaker just near my mouth. I hope that you can hear me right now. Okay. How are you? And tell me if you have taken any position position or not. This is my current status right now, 5,900 profit already. The EOD concept is yet to come. The EOD concept is yet to come, guys. We will be waiting patiently for the EOD concept, and don't worry, expiry is around the corner. Expiry is around the corner. I'll be sharing with you my impulsive strategy within 1 second video. I'm booking a profit of 15,000. Within 1 second, you will be booking a profit of 15,000, and you need to be patient for the price to reach that level, for the price to give you that impulse. Tomorrow we have the expiry. Okay, tomorrow we have the expiry. Nothing to be worried about. Is it tomorrow? Yep, tomorrow is Thursday. Tomorrow we have the expiry. There's nothing to be worried about, guys. We will be booking a good one tomorrow. There, see, it did not reach that level. When it did not reach that level, what should you do? What should you do? You should enter. You should modify the limit order, and then after modifying it, you have to enter it at market, because this move which it provides over here, this move, it'll be fast. It'll be bang. It'll be bang. It won't give you the time to place the limit. So that's why you have to place the market. Light speed, guys. Light speed. Fingers need to be fast. Your fingers need to be fast. I'm good. Well, morning. I had entered into a position 800, 1,800 rupee profit. Then I got into a wrong position. I actually forgot that I was in a position. Okay, I forgot that I was in a position. I had a position, but because of the live streaming and all the pressure coming into the way while replying to my subscribers, I had mistaken. I had taken the scene and I totally forgot about it. Then I suddenly opened it and I was at let me just check if I have any other open positions, guys, because I totally forget that I had placed a limit order. So now see, guys, it has broken with a strong shadow over here. What do you see? This is called price action. This is called price action. And now if the candle sustains above, the EOD concept is coming. The EOD concept is coming up. Will come up to 125. 130 the market will fall. Again, 130 the market. Mark my words. 130 market will fall again, and then the market will recover. Okay. Some profit calls. I won't actually don't provide any calls because I am financial analyst. I have created a level 1 and it's unethical to give any calls because I'm normally. But I will be telling you when I am entering. When I am entering into a position, be it loss, be it profit, I'm going to share it with you guys, and I'll tell you when I'll be entering into the position. And I'll leave it upon your discretion whether you want to enter into that position or not. I hope I make myself clear. Alright, I'll be telling you guys. If you want to know what my position is, definitely join in. The link is down below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I also provide videos over there. Some tips, sometimes I do provide some videos showing the markets. Today in the morning itself, my friend had taken a very good put option. Okay, it had easily given what you would have waited. You would have waited for him, and he seemed to be comfortable. Just go back to the stream and just check what has happened. I had predicted a huge downside movement, and then the market had just gone down. Can you see this beauty? Can you see this beauty right over there? Down. The market had gone down totally. Okay, and now the market is at its lowest. One would want to be noted. Write it down in a notepad. Write it down in your important points manner. Okay, make sure you have a diary. You maintain a diary on strategies. Strategy number 1, strategy number 2. Okay, make sure to maintain a diary and follow it. When an index moves more than 1.5%, up or down, be it plus or minus. When any index moves more than 1.5% up or down, that means that it has moved a lot and now it has to hold somewhere. Okay, and now it won't be moving that much. You need to keep this point clear. When you have seen that it has moved 1.7%, guys, then don't you think that it would be quite illogical to still hold the option? Don't you think if the market would have opened and if this number, this change would have been at like maybe say 5%, then it would be logical because the market is still yet to make a move. The market is still yet to make a move and it can move. But again, Bank Nifty is really volatile. Now can you hear me? Yeah, now can you hear me? So again, Bank Nifty is really volatile, guys. It can make a move even, it can fall even up to 5-6%. 5-6% change plus minus is a lot. And as you see, guys, beautifully again at this level it got rejected and now it is trying to come down. Again, it's trying to come down. This is a point where you should not take a trade. I repeat, this is a point where you should not take a trade. Hold on to your horses, guys. Hold on to your horses. Be patient. Be patient. Okay. Let it form a good pattern. It has formed a strong bullish momentum. It's trying to go up. Okay. Let it break this part. Then we'll take a CE till this level. Okay. And it suddenly went in. Very volatile, guys, very volatile. I'm telling you guys, be very careful while taking a trade. Alright, budget is just around the corner. The market will not behave normally, and the EOD concept is coming 130. Mark my words, 130. It will fall. It will just fall down, and then EOD concept will come up. EOD concept will come up, and then will give you a chance to make a good one. Alright. Is my voice clear right now? I'm speaking at a very high pitch right now. I hope that my voice is clear. Come on. We need to get a good one today, right? We need to get a good one today. Buy in the money options, guys, even though if it's costly. Try to buy in the money options or buy those options which buy the strike prices which you have a view about. For example, if you are thinking about the downside, if you're thinking that the price will reach this level 30,500, then buy the put option of 30,500. But remember, if it goes up, if it even goes up a bit, the put which you have bought at 30,500 will lose its value drastically. Okay, there'll be a jump. There'll be a jump of value downwards. Okay, downwards, not upwards, downwards. There'll be a jump of value, and theta will come into it. Make sure, guys, you are not messing up theta. You're not messing with theta. Theta is the strongest element, and option sellers are, playing by their, are using theta to their advantage against option buyers. We are option buyers. We are gonna wait for a move. And as you see, guys, this move which you see, it was quite impulsive. It just went up, could not sustain. It's coming down again. It's coming down again, but my view is that it should reach this level. Once it breaks this level, then you can see this level. Once it breaks this level, then you can see this level. We have beautifully right? Again, I might be right, I might be wrong. You are not supposed to only be taking trades based on my analysis. You should do your own analysis. I'm here to provide support. I'm here to analyze the market. It's your responsibility to learn from my mistakes. Okay, I have made some huge amount of mistakes over the past 1 year. Okay, I still continue to make a few mistakes, to be honest, guys. Okay, I still get to make a few mistakes, but right now, if I take any trades, if I take a trade, it's totally based on the confirmation. I try to buy it at its absolute lowest, and I try to do proper analysis before buying anything. And the most important thing, I think you guys are forgetting, I will try to buy at important key levels. Important key levels. Okay, guys. Manipal, note this down. Note this down in your book, guys, in your journal. If the change is something above 1.5%, that means it has already moved a lot. That means it will move. Provided that there's panic selling going on in the market. If there's panic selling going on in the market, then only the thing will move. Alright? And as we have made a profit, guys, of 5,900, I'm not really interested in any other trade, but some amount of risk management over here. I will be taking a trade. Okay, I'll be taking a trade based on the EOD concept. We have the EOD concept coming up. Okay, as I have mentioned, guys, as I have mentioned, it will reach till this level. Mark my words, it will reach till this level. It should reach till this level, as it has broken this level. It will reach till this level. It will halt over here, and it will come down at 130. We are approaching 130. FTSE, what's the scenario going on in Bloomberg, guys? Are you following Bloomberg or not? FTSE, DAX, what's the scenario going on over there? Let's just open Bloomberg. Let's just open Bloomberg at the same time. Alright? Let's follow both. We're gonna follow both. Gonna leave. We are not gonna leave the big institutions, guys. We are gonna take their profits. Okay. I'm gonna follow both of them. Where's Bloomberg? Okay. I hope the screen which I'm sharing with you guys is quite clear. I hope that you're not losing anything. Just gonna mute this stupid shit over here. Okay. Alright. Come on. Come on. Where's the thing? BANKNIFTY and no. So we are playing both of the things side by side. We are keeping an eye on the FTSE and all those stocks.